Hello everybody. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Horn English Academy. Thank you very much for joining with me. I know that you are very good time passing your valuable time. So, my dear, I would like to tell you that where I am. So, this is the studio. This is our Emul's mentor studio. So, this time, it is really a wonderful moment for us. So, you know that you will be super happy to know that standing by the side of me, my beloved cordial brother Shakwat Hussain. So I'm highly interested to know his condition. So that, my dear, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, I am fine. Alhamdulillah. I have some correction. My name is Shaikhul Amin Shaikh, and I am come from Kurigram district, and my Facebook page name is Utsorgo Patshala. And my condition is beginner level. We are student of Imru's English, and today we are practicing English from our mentor classroom, our mentor studio, Imru's English.
Okay, thank you very much for your excellent interpretation. So now I would like to tell you, my dear, if you're really enthusiastic to learn English, if you're very thirsty to learn English, so you have to practice English all the time. Now, do you know what is the time right now? So this is the time that 12:30. Okay, this is the midnight. So this time we are recording video. So my dear, if you really want to enthusiastic to learn English, so you have to start now, not from tomorrow. Okay, so those who are beginner, those who are learner, those who are preliminary level, so this time I would like to tell you that, my dear, please practice. Don't leave alone, don't any shy. You have to extrovert all the time. So my dear, I have a question for you. So if anybody enhance their proficiency and enhance their speaking level, so what can they do?
Okay, thank you very much for your excellent question. If anybody can enhance their speaking level, first of all, they need to improve their listening level.
Okay.
If anybody listening something betterly, and then they can speak that. If you can think Bangla language, first of all, children, he is he can listen first of all, and then he improve his speaking level, and then he speak. So anybody who is enthusiastic this moment for speaking English, please first of all you listen, then you start your speaking level.
Okay, thank you very much for your excellent interpretation. You want to tell you that if anybody enhance their proficiency, enhance their speaking level, so they must have to listening. Okay, you know that if anybody don't listen anything, it is really tough matter. It's really challenging matter for him, for her to speak English. Okay, so this time, so my dear, so you know that practice is very mandatory. This is very necessary task, those who are learner. So my dear, my question is that, do you practice English regularly?
Yeah, obviously I practice English regularly, and most of the time I am practice English, and I'm trying to improve my English level. I am a beginner in English speaking, so I'm all the time I am doing practice, and this is my mandatory duty to practice English.
Okay, thank you very much. I know that if anybody want to start their mission, so they need to a partner. So my dear, do you have any partner, speaking partner?
From now I have a partner, but most of the time I cannot practice with him, but I really happy for my partner.
Okay, thank you very much. I know that this is my sorrowful matter because whenever I started my journey, that time I couldn't have any kind of partner. I spoke English very alone. Okay, so that time I speak English in front of mirror. You know that if you don't have any kind of speaking partner, you can manage, you can buy from market a mirror, and then you have to practice English. You can practice English with mirror. Okay, this is really a very beneficial thing, very crucial thing. Okay, this is really exceptional method and strategy. Okay, it doesn't matter to learn English, my dear. If you think that English is very hard, English is so hard, if you so your idea is really bad. You are a misconception, my dear. So English is not so tough. English is really easy. If you take it very easily, then it will be very hard for you. If you take it very seriously, then it will be very easy for you. There is no doubt in this regard. Okay, so my dear, my last question is, so do you think that if anybody practice English regularly, so they can speak English fluently?
Obviously, if anybody speak English like fluently, he would practice English regularly, and after that, some days later, he can speak English fluently. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much. I don't want to more longer. I know that he is also a wonderful and extraordinary person. He is a very dedicated person. All the time he can speak English, so that is why they can speak English very fluently and smartly. You know that I'm also a learner. I can speak English. I can learn English all the time, all day long. So thank you very much. I don't want to more longer this video. Hope that till then remain very fine. Please subscribe our channel. Please follow my page. Okay, thank you very much. Tada, Allah.